Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up your name drop profile, and to do this you have to have a software update iOS 17 and up. So make sure you update your phone and then you will get your name drop by going to the contacts right here. And as you can see at the top, I already set up my name drop, so let's edit it a little bit, and basically you click right here on my card, then you click edit. And you can edit your name, you can add your company, phone number, ringtone, URL, birthday, related name, social profile, medical ID, and so on. So then you click on edit to edit the poster and the contact photo. So the contact photo, you can just click right here and you can choose a memoji, monogram, photos. Maybe you can take a photo of yours through camera. You can add just emoji, but basically, for example, we'll choose this one. Now after that you can choose your poster. So for poster, let's choose a memoji again, and then you can scroll down and add any poster you want. So let's click on next. Now after that you can click right here and change the background color. Click on the font and change the font. Maybe make it bolder. Change the coloring like this. You can also add some depth effect or no. So this is for the font, I believe. And then you click on done. Then you continue, and here is your name drop. That's it guys, that's how you set up your name drop. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.